12 simple things to do to make your relationship stronger. Being in a relationship is both exciting and challenging. As a couple, you will experience highs and lows. However, you can stay strong and even make the relationship stronger if you take constant efforts, sacrifices, and countless ways to show how sincere and committed you are with each other. You don't always have to do something grand though to make a relationship work. There are simple things that you can do to make your relationship stronger as ever. On the simplest things. 1. Talk about your day. Whether you're having a good day or a bad day, talk about it with your partner. Doing so will keep you connected even when you don't see each other on a daily basis. 2. Shower your partner with compliments. Tell your partner how her new haircut or outfit looks good on him, her. Shower her with compliments to make your partner feel how special he or she is for you. 3. Name things that you love about your partner. Aside from complimenting your partner, name at least 5 things that you love about your partner. This is you affirming how much you love him, her. 4. Eat together. No matter how busy you are, make sure you spend some time and eat together. A couple that eats together stays together. 5. Be appreciative. You might be too used to seeing your partner being extra caring to you, but he or she has to feel that you appreciate her efforts, small or big. 6. Share a good laugh. Throw each other some jokes. Share your funny childhood experiences. Laughing together is one secret of a lasting relationship. 7. Do silly stuff together. Doing silly stuff together can spice up your relationship, so don't hesitate to show that crazy yet lovable side of you. 8. Say the magic words. While the words seem overused, don't forget to express your love. Say I love you to your partner, and of course, mean it. 9. Cook for your partner. Cook for your partner to make her taste food that's full of love and passion. 10. Leave sweet notes. Place the notes on her lunchbox. Say you miss her every single day. Leaving sweet notes will put a smile on your partner's face. 11. Tell him/her you're always there for him, her. Knowing that he or she has your back will boost the confidence of your partner, so never fail to remind her that you're always there for him, her. 12. Show it. Make yourself available for your partner. Listen to him, her. Weep with him, her. Just be there for him.